Hey guys, what's going on? I just finished my photo shoot here in Suzhou, and I want to show you guys how I pack all my stuff into this beat up carry-on luggage and my camera bag. So all that stuff, my computer, tablets, drone, my lenses, cameras, bodies, umbrellas, diffusers, camera, tripod, more diffusers, and lantern diffuser. So all that stuff, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to fit all this stuff inside this 2 bags, maybe 3. This one for the light stands and stuff, umbrellas, but that's pretty much it. So let me work on this. Okay, I'm gonna start packing my lenses. This is my 2470 2.8 Nikon, and then this is my main lens for hotel shoots, 14-24mm Nikon. Okay, let me start. Okay, let me put my tripod inside. Voila. Comes down to this size. Fits perfectly. Okay, what's next? This is my Sigma 1424, and this is my Nikon D850. So I'm going to put my 2 bodies inside the camera bag. This is the D810. Wide angle, have 2 wide angle inside. I'm using a some speed light. 2, 1, where's the second one? It's actually here. These are the 2 speed lights I bring with me. I have LED light here. It looks like this. Up next, I got my drone, the Mavic Pro, DJI Mavic Pro. I have 2 extra batteries for my Mavic. Battery charger for my Mavic. This is my 50mm 1.4 Nikon. The controller, the remote control for my Mavic. This is my hard drive. This is my Wacom graphics tablet. I have my MacBook Pro. I have some clamps here for tightening up stuff. This is all my miscellaneous stuff I'm going to put in my bag, like cables on one bag. I have some miscellaneous stuff here, like plugins, some batteries and memory cards and stuff, so everything here. I'll put all in. Next, we got my umbrellas. This is another umbrella. It has silver reflector and white outside. So, that's what it looks like. Flash, light stand. I bought a very light one. Just one. And this is the flash mount. Alright, I'm done packing now. See you later.